minded animal. Indian culture is a pantheistic culture. People worship many different deities at one and the same time.
Yes, yes. Continue.
Among those, Lakshmi also is a deity or goddess. She is associated with wealth, beauty, and auspiciousness and is very important in the pantheon in Indian deities. At the same time, it is true that there are very few temples separately dedicated to her, and that is she is generally and mostly found in Vishnu temples accompanying him. Her popularity is seen increasing day by day, especially in the modern industrialized society. The Dhanalakshmi Vrata, that is the vow of worshipping the goddess Lakshmi, is becoming more and more popular among the middle class people. However, that does not mean that she is a modern deity. She is, in fact, one of the oldest Indian deities. The references to the word are found in the Vedic literature right from the Rig Veda. It would be interesting to see that the word Lakshmi means what the word Lakshmi means there, whether it has the same meaning or a different one. And further, if it is different, then whether they are connected, involving some gradual change. Regarding the meaning and etymology of the word Lakshmi, it is always said that Lakshmi is the one who has Lakshma, a mark. That is, she is the goddess who possesses a mark, the mark of beauty, luck, or fortune. Herein, an attempt is made to find if it really is the mark of beauty. If so, then what it is, and whether it is mentioned in the Vedic literature. And if it is not recorded there, then what is the Lakshma, after which the great goddess has occupied her epithet from the Vedic times. Now, all the scholars were naturally interested in the origin, nature, development, and also the etymology of the name Lakshmi. Various scholars have presented various opinions in this matter. For example, Oldenburg comments, I will skip the German and I will go to the translation. It is obvious that there is connection between the word Lakshma, mark, and Lakshmi. Then, quoting the passages from various texts, he concludes, Lakshman is an outer mark, either of lucky or fortunate, or of misfortunate disposition. And Lakshmi herself is such disposition, which is or which can be shown through a Lakshman. Indro Palasya Bilam Apavrunot. Sa Yaha Uttamaha Pashuhu Asit. Tam Prushtam Prati Sangruhya Udakhidat. Tam Sahasram Pashavo Anudayan. Sa Unnataha Abhavat. Ya Pashukama Syat. Sa Etam Aindram Unnatam Alabhet. Indrameva Svena Bhagadheyena Upadhavati. Saeva Asmai Pashun Prayachati. Pashumaneva Bhavati. Sahasriva Aisha Lakshmi Yad Unnato. Lakshmiyaiva Pashun Avarundhe. Yada Sahasram Pashun Prapnuyat Atha Vaishnavam Vamanam Alabhet. Etasmin vai tat Sahasram Adhyatishtat. Tasmat Esha Vamanaha Samirshitaha. Pashubhya eva Prajatebhya Pratishtam Dadhati. Atharva Veda also refers to the practice of marking the cattle, where it is mentioned that Ashwins marked the ear of the cattle with copper knife. Making such marks was a practice of all, namely Devas, Asuras, and also human beings, and it was done for thousand-fold abundance of cattle. Translation complete. It would be of some help to know about the ways or devices of identification of animals in general. Regarding it, Banerjee has stated, I quote, the identity of an animal has to be established soon after its birth. Many dairymen name their cows but do not have any marks for their identification except as they know them. For a small herd, the naming of animals may serve the purpose to some extent. But for large farms and moreover with pure breed animals, it is always necessary to put some sort of identification marks on each animal. Cattle can be marked by ear tag, tattoo, number tags attached around the neck or horn chain, branding numbers on horns and hips, ear notches, photograph, or by color sketches. Quotation complete. Does the word Lakshmi, which basically means an animal mark, an animal which is branded or herded, came to mean wealth and property in general. And there is no wonder in it. The Latin word for money is pecunia, derived from pecus, which is neuter, and pecus pecundis, which is feminine, both meaning herd of livestock. The cognate word related to pecus is none else but pashu. So, and in the sense of wealth, it is paisa. So, is it not Lakshmi? The word for fee also has a similar origin. It is a cognate of Vieh, Vieh in German, which means cattle. What was the dakshina, sacrificial fee given to the priest? Cows, isn't it? One more significant related